there, welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to do pattern row 2 of the arcade stitch. This stitch is featured in my free pattern on my blog called the Night at the Arcade Scarf. And in the first video we learned how to do the setup row down here. And the video after that we did pattern row 1, which creates these really pretty fans. And today we're going to be doing pattern row 2. So the first step in pattern row 2 is going to be to chain 4. All right, and then you'll turn your work. And what you're going to be doing is skipping these first 3 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we're going to be putting a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then we'll chain 3. Okay, and we are going to skip 5 stitches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to be single crocheting into these top 3 stitches in our fan. Okay, so we have 1 single crochet, 2, and 3. Okay, now to end off this row, we are going to chain 1. We're going to skip this next stitch and we're going to double crochet into the last 2 stitches. I'm sorry, into the last 1 stitch. So skip this stitch and double crochet into this last stitch. Okay. And there you have pattern row 2. You see we've created additional chain spaces. In the next video we're going to do pattern row 3 and fill in these chain spaces and continue on with this arcade stitch. Feel free to click subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. Thank you for watching.